Kat here, and today we will be testing out the Wunder 2's Wunderbrow. So since swimming is one of my sports, I love to search for makeups that are waterproof. Kita ko tong Wunderbrow by Wunder 2. At ang claims niya ay, it is perfect even the most disobedient of brows with our one-step long-wear eyebrow gel, Wunderbrow from Wunder 2. Define, fill, and thicken for a more natural brow look that is completely waterproof, smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and it actually lasts for 3 days. So, medyo na-curious ako. Totoo kaya nung naglalast siya for 3 days? Was it true that it was really waterproof or smudge-proof? Let's find out. Samahan niyo ako sa pagsiswimming ko mamaya at tignan natin kung itong Wunderbrow ba na to talaga ay waterproof. So, for actual applications, get an ample amount of the micellar water and erase the eyebrow shade that I have in my eyebrows right now. So as you can see, within my eyebrows are now totally erased. Now let's go in with the application of the Wunder 2 Wunderbrow. By the way, the brush of the Wunderbrow looks like this. So, some of you might find this hard to use para sa fine lines na magagawa nyo sa eyebrows nyo. What I usually do is get my spoolie and my slanted brush to help me create a thin and fine line within my eye. Get lang ako ng konting product within my slanted brush. And then, I close it up. And then, the next thing that I'm gonna do is just brush my eyebrow hair to fix it up. With my slanted brush that is loaded up with products, I'm gonna go in and just trace the growth of my hair from here to there. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the product on the upper part of my eyebrow and just carefully fill in the middle. So this is the eyebrow that has the Wunderbrow product. And this is my eyebrow without. If you can see or notice dito sa camera, kapag ganito ko yung brows ko, medyo malambot siya. And medyo madali siya na magulo. But if you have your Wunderbrow, it was totally in place, it is quite hard and waxy and hindi siya ganun kadaling magulo. So the next thing that we must do is to try and test this Wunderbrow if it's true that it was really smudge-proof and waterproof. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go and swim with these eyebrows in the pool. Hi guys, we're now here in the pool. So my swimming cap is on, my goggles is on, and I'm ready to test out the Wunderbrow product. guys, time check. It's already 2:40 in the morning. And medyo madami na yung napagdaanan natin. We have been through swimming, dinner, and now pauwi na kami galing sa isang party. And as you can see, yung kilay natin, on flick pa rin siya. So, as a conclusion with the Wunderbrow, based on my perception, the claims of Wunderbrow is really true. It's true that it is smudge proof, it is waterproof. Pero dun sa naglala siya ng 3 days, actually medyo tagilid pa ako kasi by the second day, medyo okay naman yung kilay mo, pero slightly medyo na-erase na yung product. Siyempre, hindi na ganun ka-perfect kagaya ng first and second day. So, I think that the Wunderbrow did a very good job, lalo na ngayong summer, na medyo humid ang panahon, and it's time para sa mga bakasyon, sa beach, sa pool. You can really wear this. In anywhere you go and whatever you will do, you can still have your kilay on fleek. Have requests ng mga products na pwede nating i-review, just comment below. I hope na na-enjoy nyo yung video ko sa review ko dito sa Wunder 2. So please comment, like, or subscribe sa channel ko, or share for other reviews na pwede pa nating magawa.